Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial inspired by this particular Instagram filter that has been going around. I feel like it just makes anyone look super pretty. It's super trendy, super on point, and I thought I should just recreate it using makeup. It's kind of late at night and this is just a very random idea that one of you guys gave me, so hopefully it will turn out well. I don't know, but keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, I have to definitely make my skin a lot more flawless and a lot more matte. I don't have foundation on, I only have concealer on a little bit here, so I'm just gonna grab my foundation and I'll be back. I have a primer here. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro filter. Then taking a full coverage foundation which is matte. This Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation is one of the most full coverage and matte foundations that I own. So you want it to be as matte and flawless as possible. And now I'm taking my concealer to just do a little bit of highlighting. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade Vanilla. So I'm just gonna conceal the areas that I usually conceal and at the same time use it as a highlight. Alright, now it's time to contour. So I have here my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. This is quite a strong contour and that's exactly what we're after because the filter has very strong contours as well, especially on the cheekbones, jawline. Not forgetting the nose. The filter actually did make it smaller, but unfortunately we don't have like magical powers, so we can't make our nose actually smaller. Can only make it smaller with the illusion of makeup. So I'm just gonna be applying it on the sides like so. We'll start with light layers first. So to make the nose smaller, I am actually contouring all the way even underneath my nose. Taking some powder, deepening up everything. So I think we have our nose pretty much done. First, I want to contour my lips a little bit because this is where another point of the look is. So I'm just taking my matchsticks and loading it up on my brush before going in to carve out this area to create an illusion of fuller lips. You can see the difference it made, right? And also here. Instantly fuller lips. We definitely need to amp up a little bit on the lashes, the matte-ness of the eyeshadow as well. The colors are also a lot more contrasted, I feel. So I'm just taking my bronzer once again and an eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to deepen my eyeshadow. So I feel like this filter doesn't actually change up your eyeshadow colors or looks that much. It just makes your eyes a little bit more defined because of the falsies as well. So that's what I'm doing. And of course, we are extending our eyeliner because the filter gives you eyeliner. While we wait for this to dry, we have to target the cheeks, which is, I feel like, the main point of the look because the blush really goes all the way from like here to even your nose, especially the tip of your nose. So for today's blush, I have this. This is called Oh My Blush from 2P Original. I got this from Thailand, so I don't know if you can get it in Singapore. And I'm just using my Zoeva 127. It's extremely pigmented, so I gotta be very careful. So looking at the photo, I'm just concentrating it here. I'm gonna spend some time blending it out later on. And of course, the tip of the nose. Take another brush to blend. I look like a clown.
2 hours later.
Alright, I feel like the rest of the face kind of has a little bit of red tint as well. So I'm just going to apply this blusher like on my temples. This time how it looks like. I look like an absolute joke right now. So let's target the lips. For the lips, we have a really nice MLBB Mauve color. So I have a few shades over here that I feel like I can mix and match to get this shade. So this is my Nudestix Magnetic Lip Plush Paint. I feel like this sweet sangria is quite a accurate color. I'm gonna first mix it with Waikiki Rose all over. So I'm gonna apply Waikiki Rose first. So the lip lines are very blurred at the side and it's kind of rounded. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll wait for this layer to dry. In the meantime, let's put on some falsies. The falsies are pretty wispy and I feel like they are quite dense and they go like straight up. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my falsies. Oh no, my camera's dying. I'm gonna quickly put on my lipstick. This is Sweet Sangria. Look at my lips. Oh my gosh, they look juicy. Okay, so now I've got my Fenty Beauty powder. I'm gonna really mattify my entire face because I feel like that's also a key point of the entire look. Same time, if your blush is a little bit gone, just put it a little bit back on. Time for freckles! So I'm using my Etude Brown Sugar Play Color Eyes Latte palette and just taking these two brown shades over here. You can use any brown shades if you want, just as long as they're matte and not glittery and they are nicely blended. So I'm just gonna give myself like random freckles like all over my face. And there you have it. So this is my version of the Instagram filter that I love. This tutorial, it's really random, but I hope you guys had fun with me nonetheless. I had a lot of fun recreating this, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Alrighty, bye!